Kailas Manasarovar Yatra 2023 Made Easy, organizing by Skyroot Travel, Toronto.
திருக்கைலாய யாத்ரா 2023 முதல் 15 நாட்கள் மற்றும் 14 இரவுகள் செப்டம்பர் 16, 2023 முதல் அக்டோபர் 2, 2023. கட்டணம் 3750 கனடியன் டாலர்கள். தரைவழி பயணம். நேபாள் கைரும் பாதை. புறப்படும் இடம் டொராண்டோ. வாங்க போகலாம், நாங்க அழைத்து செல்கின்றோம்.
You will be welcomed by Skyroot Travel representative at the airport and arrange to transfer to the hotel in a comfortable and convenient manner, ensuring your comfort stay after a long journey. Overnight stay at Hotel Kathmandu.
Today, half-day city tour covering Swayambhunath Stupa, Patan Darbar Square, and you can visit many historical sites, stone temples in Kathmandu city.
Visiting Old Darbar Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, allows you to immerse yourself in the captivating history, architecture, and spirituality of Nepal. Explore Kasthamanda, an ancient wooden temple said to be constructed from a single tree trunk, as well as the museum and the Hiranyavarna Mahavihar, also known as the Golden Temple. These historical sites offer a journey through time, unveiling the cultural treasures and legacy of the Kathmandu Valley.
Welcome back to our journey through the cultural wonders of Nepal. Today, we explored 3 remarkable sites that hold great significance in Nepalese religious and spiritual traditions. Join me as we delve into the mystique of Pashupatinath Temple, Bodhanath Stupa, and Bodhanilakant.
Pashupatinath Temple, situated on the banks of the sacred Bagmati River, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Before embarking on our sacred journey to Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, we will offer prayers to Lord Shiva, seeking his blessings and guidance. We move to Bodhanath Stupa, an iconic Buddhist monument that looms magnificently over the Kathmandu skyline. Our final destination in Kathmandu is Bodhanilakant, where we find the awe-inspiring statue of Lord Vishnu reclining on the cosmic serpent, Sheshnag. This 5th century sculpture, carved from a single block of black stone, is a masterpiece of artistry and devotion. This morning, filled with devotion, we embark on our eagerly awaited Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Today, our destination is Syabrubesi, a picturesque village at an elevation of 1,550 meters. The road to Syabrubesi is about 140 kilometers long and takes approximately 8 hours to traverse. We will spend the night at a hotel in Syabrubesi. Today, we are all set for the next leg of our Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Our first stop today is the Nepal-China Friendship Bridge, located just 20 kilometers away. The drive will take us approximately 30 minutes. Once we reach the bridge, we will complete the necessary immigration formalities on the Nepal side. After that, we will take a leisurely 15-minute walk to cross the Friendship Bridge. On the other side, we will complete the immigration formalities for entry into China. Further, we will continue our journey towards Kirung, situated at an altitude of 2,700 meters. As we arrive in Kirung, we will settle into our hotel for the night. It's time to relax, unwind, and acclimatize to the higher altitude. Today, you are free to take this opportunity to relax and acclimatize yourself at Hotel Kirung. Acclimatization is a vital process when traveling to higher altitudes. It helps our bodies adapt to the decreased oxygen levels and prevents altitude-related illnesses. Take this day to acclimatize, recharge, and embrace the beauty of our surroundings. We will resume tomorrow, fully energized and ready for the adventures that lie ahead. It's a brand new day on our Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, and our next destination is Saga, situated at an elevation of 4,640 meters. The drive spans approximately 105 kilometers and is expected to take around 3 to 4 hours. Today, our journey through the stunning Tibetan landscape, get ready to be mesmerized by its beauty. We will arrive in Saga, where we will spend the night. Our hotel in Saga offers a comfortable stay, ensuring a relaxing night before we continue our pilgrimage towards Mount Kailash. Today is an extraordinary day as we embark on a journey to the revered Mansarovar Lake, situated at an elevation of 4,556 meters. As we arrive at Mansarovar, a truly sacred site, take a purifying holy bath, and engage in various spiritual rituals such as puja, havan, and devtarpan. According to Hindu mythology, Mansarovar Lake is believed to have been created by Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. The east face of Mount Kailash, visible from Mansarovar Lake, holds profound significance as it is believed to be the first site bestowed by the Lord upon his devotees. The edge of Mansarovar Lake. Following this, relax and regenerate with an overnight stay at a comfortable guest house, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep and preparing yourself for the sacred Mount Kailash Yatra that lies ahead. Today, we embark on a memorable journey to Darche, situated at an elevation of 4,664 meters. Darche serves as the ideal starting point for our Mount Kailash Yatra, and we are privileged to have the opportunity to stay here overnight in the hotel. During our journey to Darche, we take a refreshing break at the enchanting Chuigumpa hot spring. Indulge in the soothing waters, rejuvenating and energizing yourself for the upcoming Mount Kailash trek. It's a natural oasis that provides an energizing and therapeutic experience, preparing you for the Kailash Yatra ahead.
Today, we embark on the sacred Kailash Parikrama, also known as Kailash Circumambulation. Spanning approximately 42 kilometers, our aim is to complete this transformative trek in 3 days. Our first stop is Tabok Flagpole, the auspicious gateway to the Kailash Parikrama. From there, we continue to Yamadwa, a significant landmark marking the entrance to the domain of Lord Yama. Pilgrims witness the south face of Mount Kailash from Yamadwa, a face associated with Lord Yama. Finally, we embark on a breathtaking 10-kilometer trek to Darapuk, situated at 4,765 meters, where we will spend a comfortable night at the guest house. The north face of Mount Kailash, visible from Daiprik, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and represents the element of earth. Our trek today covers a distance of 22 kilometers, taking approximately 7 to 8 hours to complete. Our path leads us through the challenging and ascending terrain of Droma La Pass, towering at an impressive altitude of 5,585 meters. This segment spans about 6 kilometers. Descending from Droma La Pass, we continue our journey, covering another 6 kilometers, to reach Zutupuk. Situated at an altitude of 4,700 meters, Zutupuk offers a tranquil setting to spend the night in the comforting embrace of the guest house, surrounded by the divine energy of Mount Kailash. The western face of Mount Kailash, observed from Zutupuk. As we conclude our Kailash Parikrama, let us carry the essence of Mount Kailash's western face, the element of air, and the blessings of Lord Vishnu in our hearts. Today, we embark on the last and final day of our Mount Kailash Parikrama. The trek covers a distance of approximately 8 kilometers, taking around 3 hours to complete. This brings us near Dachan, situated at an elevation of 4,664 meters. From Dachan, we continue our journey with a scenic drive to Saga, spanning approximately 430 kilometers. The drive takes around 7 to 8 hours. At Saga, we will find comfort and rest in a hotel, where we will spend the night.
Today, our journey takes us from Saga to Syabrubesi, passing through Kirun. The drive covers a distance of approximately 145 kilometers and takes around 5 hours. In Kirun, we will complete the necessary China side immigration formalities before crossing the bridge and proceeding with the Nepal side immigration formalities. Arriving in Syabrubesi, we will check into a comfortable hotel, allowing us to relax and rejuvenate after a successful Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Today, our journey continues as we make our way towards the vibrant city of Kathmandu, situated 140 kilometers away. The attractive drive will span approximately 7 to 8 hours, allowing us to immerse in the captivating landscapes along the way. Upon reaching Kathmandu, we will settle into our comfortable hotel, ensuring a delightful and rejuvenating night stay. Today, we are honored to have the opportunity to visit the esteemed Pashuptinath Temple, Kathmandu, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Lord Shiva for arranging a successful Kailash Mansarovar Yatra for us. In the evening approaches, we prepare to head towards the airport, carrying the indelible memories of our time spent at Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Package cost $37.50 Canadian dollars. Package includes all sightseeing, pickup, drop and transfer by air-conditioned luxury bus. Accommodation in Kathmandu, 3-star hotel, double sharing. Meals, daily breakfast, lunch and dinner. Accommodation in Tibet, standard hotels. Accommodation at Mansarovar, Dirapuk and Zuthulpuk, guest house or luxury tents. While camping, we provide tents on double sharing basis with separate bed or mattresses. Kailash permit and normal Tibet, China visa fee. English speaking Tibetan guide. Kitchen staff with all equipment. Sleeping bags. Portable oxygen cylinder. Tour manager from Toronto.
Kailash Yatra 2023. Booking open. Sky Route Travel, Markham Road, Toronto. Thank you.